In that glorious land where dreams take flight, shemborlang Rynjah, the young star shining bright. At just 6 years old, his talent blooms bold. A goalkeeper prodigy, a sight to behold. Shemborlang Rynjah, keeper of the goal, with nimble hands and a heart of gold. 6 years young, but his spirit's old. In that Goliath's heart, his story's told. On the field, he stands tall, fearless and true, blocking shots with grace and natural cue. Never say a dream takes flight, Shemborlang defends with all his might. Shemborlang Rynjah, keeper of the goal, with nimble hands and a heart of gold. 6 years young, but his spirit's old. In that Goliath's heart, his story's told. From village fields to stadiums grand, Shemborlang's journey across the land. With every dive he writes his name, a goalkeeper destined for fame. Shemborlang Rynjah, keeper of the goal, with nimble hands and a heart of gold. 6 years young, but his spirit's old. In that Goliath's heart, his story's told. On the field he stands tall, fearless and true, blocking shots with grace and natural cue. In every save, a dream takes flight, the Shemborlang defends with all his might. Shemborlang Rynjah, keeper of the goal, with nimble hands and a heart of gold. 6 years young, but his spirit's old. In that Goliath's heart, his story's told. Village fields to stadiums grand, Shemborlang's journey across the land. With every dive he writes his name, a goalkeeper destined for fame. Shemborlang Rynjah.